Hello, my friends. Well, today is going to be the day of probably the toughest things I've ever had to do in my 41 years. So what I'm holding in my hand here is a seat insert for a 1969 Dodge Dart convertible. If you take a look at these pleats here, you'll see that they're all spaced at exactly 1/2 inch. So sewing up 1/2 inch pleats has me a little intimidated. I've been putting it off for a short while, but today's got to be the day. So if you know anything about sewing, you would know that if I was off 1 millimeter in either direction at any time, I'm going to have probably a wider pleat or a narrower pleat or some kind of a crooked pleat or something other than what it's supposed to be. So that's the challenge. So here we go. This is what I need to replicate. All these little 1/2 inch pleats. And this is the material I got to perform this action. So this is my blank. I got it all marked out. And by the way, this is very expensive material. This duplicates the original 1969. It's white with a silver pearl. And I was able to locate the vinyl. Very expensive, but there we are, the white with a silver pearl. So I'm going to start sewing here in a second. Normally, whenever I do something, I just kind of dive in and do it. But like I said earlier, I've been having to give this one some thought because I only get one shot at this. Right? There's no do-overs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a few pleats, and then I'm not going to bore you with sewing this whole thing up, so I'll speed it up. I don't want to bore you guys. So here we go. And as he eyes the line, lines up the needle, pulls his thread, and he's going to go for it, folks. Look at the concentration. Starts out a little slow, and there he goes. He's going for it. He's going all the way. Going all the way. And he did it! Yay! So now I got about another 100 to do. On this panel, I have a total of 4 panels I need to do. So I'm really looking at a lot of pleats. Well, I guess I exaggerated a little bit when I said 100 on this panel, but really there's about 55, I think, on this panel. So zip zip, sure is fast, huh? Anyway, there we are. There's the finished product. Intimidated was I? Of course not. I did it. Well, here's two of the finished panels up against the original piece. So, if I'm looking at this correctly, I'd say that that's not a bad match. Well, my friends, I got two down, two more to go. I guess that means if I translated that into another language, maybe that's halfway. So anyway, here we are, looking pretty good, I think. Can't see me anymore. Can't see me anymore. So anyway, I hope that this video has been helpful for you. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications. That way you know when the new videos are coming up. Try to keep up with all the videos that I'm making almost on a daily basis. Like I said, this is a working upholstery shop, and I am doing this kind of work every day, which means almost a new video every day that I'm recording. Whether or not I get it posted every day, that's another story, but I'm working on it. So till next time, see ya. Um,